giraffe class. Hope you are enjoying this beautiful day. I am outside today enjoying it, and I thought today we could talk about the roles of a zookeeper. If we were at the zoo, sometimes you would see all of the animals, but you don't see the behind the scenes. So today we are going to explore a couple of those animals and talk about what a zookeeper does. Zookeepers are animal caretakers in zoos. They are responsible for specific types of animals assigned to them. Zookeepers clean the exhibits, they feed the animals, and they keep a good eye on the animals to make sure they are healthy. So I have gone around my house and picked up a couple of little toy animals, but that you could find at the zoo. Here we have an elephant, and here is a good picture of an elephant. What's the first thing you think about when you see an elephant? For me, it's their big, long trunk. And we're gonna find out, what do elephants do with their trunks? The elephant's trunk is very useful. Without it, an elephant could not reach the ground to feed because its neck is so short. The trunk is also used for taking food from high in the trees and for breaking off branches. The elephant can smell with its trunk, pick up tiny objects, and gently caress its young. It drinks by sucking up water into its trunk and squirting it into its mouth. It also sprays water or dust over itself to clean its skin. Man, it's got a lot of jobs, doesn't it? All right, friends. I also found a tree frog. He's so cute. And I posted one on our shared site. Hopefully you guys saw it. What is something that is pretty interesting about them when you think about them, friends? They have little suction cups for on their little fingers. And let's see, I have a fun one to show you guys. Hang on one sec. Look at that cool picture. Look at them. They're all suctiony. How can tree frogs climb trees, you might ask? Let's find out. Tree frogs are excellent climbers. On each of their long toes is a round sticky pad, which allows them to cling to the undersides of leaves and to run up the smoothest surfaces. Tree frogs spend most of their lives in trees, catching insects to eat, and only come down to the ground to lay their eggs in water. Interesting. All right, another one I found around the house is a hippo. And some interesting things about hippos, actually. If you first look at them, you may not ever see their teeth, but I don't know if y'all can see this, but they have really, really, really sharp teeth. All right, that's the picture, but over here, uh-oh, where did I go? Oh, here it is. And you might ask if hippos can swim, friends. Let's find out. The hippo spends most of its day in or near water and comes onto the land at night to feed on plants. It does not really swim, but it walks or runs along underwater or on the bottom of the river at surprising speeds. Pretty cool. All right, friends, and the other thing I thought would be cool to talk about would be giraffes, since we're the giraffe class. Now, Raffy has a short neck, but in real life, giraffes have long necks, right, friends? Here is a good picture of a giraffe. How many bones do you guys think there are in a giraffe's neck? Well, we're gonna find out. A giraffe has 7 bones in its neck, just like other mammals, including humans. But the giraffe's neck bones are much longer than those of other animals and have more flexible joints between them. Also, the giraffe's tongue can stretch out up to 18 inches to help it gather leaves from tall, tall trees. So not only does their neck help them, but also their tongue does too. So those are just some of the things you could find at the zoo. There's many, many, many others, and zookeepers have really important jobs. Miss Ann's job as a zookeeper at her house. As you can tell, I have lots of them. Coco made her appearance here a minute ago. I hope you guys are well. Enjoy this beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Mwah!